Hello everyone, I'm your host 5-Minute Tutorials, where in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a parallax background with only one line of code. Yes, only one line of code. I'm not joking, literally this is only one line of code. The other one we can just like erase this because we have like two backgrounds. I'm just gonna add another one extra, but you can just remove this and here is only one line of code. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make this with only one line of code. So in order to start that, let's just make a new empty scene. If you don't save, let's add an empty scene, a 2D node, and then we're going to add a parallax background. Okay, so parallax background. After we add a parallax background, we can add another one, a parallax layer, and inside that layer we can add a sprite. So okay, so let's just add a sprite, and let's just drag, actually no, that's not this, let's drag the background. So we're just gonna make it, we're not gonna make it perfect, or at least I'm not gonna make it perfect because right now it doesn't need to be perfect, but in order for your case it needs to be exactly perfect. Okay, no cheating. Okay, exactly perfect. So I'm just gonna press Ctrl D to duplicate it and then add another one of these here. And then we can also scroll it here and then put it right over, okay, right over here, and then we're just going to like make this a bit bigger, and there we go, voila. Okay, let's just name this scene like parallax BG. And now let's make a script. So like here, we're gonna add here, you can do like both, you can add a script here or here, doesn't really matter. So let's just add a script here, call this parallax background. Then what we're gonna do, oh wait, another thing. So if I play this, nothing's gonna happen, it's only gonna like loop once, like not even gonna loop, it's just gonna move there. Okay, so in order to like fix this, there's a really easy way. So we need to go inside the parallax layer, and then so in the parallax layer you can see there's a mirroring function. So I'm just gonna add 2000. It's not gonna be perfect for you, I'm sorry, not 2000. Oh, there we go. It's not going to be like the exactly 1020 for you. It could be something else, but for mine it's 1020. So let's do the same here again. So 1020. There we go. Now it will mirror. So now what we're gonna do is add a script. So we already did that. So I'm just gonna press this, and then $, and then like reference our layer. So our parallax layer dot motion offset. So we're gonna take this motion offset, so it's gonna like change the position. So motion offset dot x plus equals 50. So if I now play that, you see oops, sorry, that's the wrong one. Let me just change this to parallax, set as main. Okay, now if I play this, you can see nothing's actually happening because it's changing on the y-axis. Sorry, let me just, yeah, that's gonna be minus 50. Okay, so not x. So yeah, now it should be fixed, but instead it's still not working. Let's just see what's wrong. Minus equals, oh wait, I just realized, yeah, you need to change that to underscore physics process delta. Now if I play that, you can see it's moving really fast. Okay, so we just did that. Let's do the same. So let's just add 20, and then let's add another one. Let's change this to 2. You could name it like air, background, and foreground. Okay, but I'm just gonna do this. Now you can see it's now fixed. Now it's looping. Okay, So pretty straightforward, okay, not that hard, not that complicated. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Goodbye.